In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Ubisoft to Twitch. So go to twitch.tv, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to settings. Now from here, we have to go to the connections tab, which is the second to last one. Scroll all the way down and you will see Ubisoft. So all you gotta do is click on connect. It will take you to a pop-up window where you can log in. So we have to click on get started. We have to log in with Twitch. So as you can see, this will pop up and all we gotta do is click on authorize. And now our accounts are linked. So if we close this, if we refresh and scroll all the way down, as you can see, your Ubisoft account is connected. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.